Morning guys, and welcome to today's minute. I will show you how to retouch skin. Very easy, super simple. Okay, so I do it best in Photoshop because I feel like it's a little easier, but you can also do it in Lightroom, which I will show you. But to start with Photoshop. Okay, so let's do a new layer by holding down Shift Option Command N, Shift Option Command E, and if you have a PC, instead of Command it's Control. Okay, and the tool that I usually use in Photoshop is this one called the Spot Healing Brush Tool. Because what you do then is that you basically just click on the spots that you want to remove. And I usually keep it pretty simple and pretty natural. And voila! I think that looks pretty good. Before, after, before, after. So now let's do it in Lightroom. So we open up the same photo, and this time around in Lightroom, we're gonna choose this tool called Spot Removal, or just Q. And what you do here is that you select what you want to remove, and the program chooses a spot to copy it from. So you just hit enter, or just move on to the next spot, and then you just do the same thing. And then if you want to remove that spot, then it will choose a spot next to it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. So before and after, before and after. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.